Hello, good morning. How are you? Now I testing the my camera record, video cam record. This is the brand F200HD. For sure, this is made in China. Okay, and let's say this is the full HD. Okay, see again. I don't know. I'm not sure. The first time it's working or not, but it's okay. Okay, try to see outside. It's nice. Zoom. Try to zoom. Okay. 32 GB.
And what's this? Only camera?
Only camera and then the video record and everything.
For how much? Which company, sorry?
This one? This one, my big country.
China.
China. It's from China. He said the good quality. Okay, yeah. 29 BD is the good quality. Okay. And then maybe you can put also in the car like this. Because now in Thailand everyone uses this because always accident. Yeah, if you got accident, and police in Thailand also. You know, so you're wrong. Okay, oh, I have camera. Okay, you go.
Really?
Yeah. In Thailand too much. Police
So better you have camera.
Yeah, if you put camera in the car is better. If they come to see, you have camera, it's okay. You know, where you go, brother? After that, they ask, I go this. Okay, take care.